let's try it out. Here's my Billa cat, male cat, Persian. I really like him, he's really cool. So here you can see it really works. Currently he is bit groomed already, so you cannot see that much hair on the glove, but it really works. As you can see, he doesn't like it, but still it works. And it also saves your hand, but he doesn't bite that hard on your hand, he just plays. So I guess it's the review. He's not letting go. As you can see, he has his claws in my glove. But all in all, as you can see, this glove works, and it's pretty good to have if you have a cat or dog like this which have a lot of hair, and he really likes it when he is in the mood, of course. Currently he is outside and he is quite moody, but as you can see. And the thing is, when you have very few hair on this glove, it is hard to take the hair off from the glove. But continue petting the cat or dog. He is a nice Parabilla. So when you have full hair on the glove is full of hair, then it is quite easy to remove the hair. Thanks.